To do this calculation here, we could do 999 multiplied by 999. It would work, but there's a lot of room to make mistakes. Instead, I'm going to look at 1000 times 999. I know the answer to that would be 999 with 3 zeros on it. And I know that this is only 999s. It's not 1,000 of them. So I've got to take 999 off this. So 999, 0, 0, 0, and subtract 999. Now, that's not easy either, to be honest. Okay, so take 9 from 0, we can't do. Can't do it. So we've got to do a lot of carrying, a lot of borrowing. Bring that over, but we'll need to have one here, and we'll need to borrow and bring the one over there. So now we have 10 take away 9 is 1, 9 take away 9 is 0, 9 take away 9 is 0, 8, 9, 9. And that's our answer.